large enterprise group approved by the State Administration of Market Supervision. Henan Weihua Heavy Machinery Company Limited is the core holding subsidiary company of Weihua Group, with a registered capital of 560 million yuan, total assets of 4 billion yuan, an area of 470,000 square meters, and more than 5,200 employees. Now, a new Weihua Crane Intelligent Industrial Park is under construction, with a total investment of 3 billion yuan, 512,000 square meters planned area, 767,000 square meters construction area. With the independent R&D capabilities and arduous explorations, Weihua is a leading enterprise in China's crane industry. Weihua focuses on high-tech products research and development and has built high-level technological innovation platforms. Products are upgraded with innovation ideas and oriented to standardization, specialization, greenization, and intelligence. It has developed 10 series of more than 200 types of lifting equipment, according to serialization, generalization, and combination requirements. Main products include overhead crane, gantry crane, port crane, electric hoist, mining machinery, and other special lifting equipment. Weihua has been ranked the first in China for many years in terms of production and sales of bridge cranes. Weihua is committed to customized solutions and integrity services for the customers, and products are exported to more than 130 countries and regions, such as North America, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Russia. Weihua makes the world easier.